High Hill Farms might look like just another suburban neighborhood in Algonquin, but here's what most buyers miss. This community actually helped shape Algonquin's transformation from a resort town into a thriving Chicago suburb.
And inside this neighborhood are over 30 different home models, a 29-acre nature preserve, and one of the lowest HOA fees you'll find in the area. Stick around because in the next few minutes, we'll show you the history, lifestyle, and hidden value of High Hill Farms and why it might just be the most underrated neighborhood in Algonquin.
Hi, I'm Tamara.
And I'm Ozzy with Century 21 New Heritage, helping buyers and sellers across Huntley, Algonquin, Cary, and Crystal Lake make smart moves with clarity and confidence.
High Hill Farms was built by United Development between 1977 and 1999. That's more than 2 decades of phased construction, which is why the neighborhood feels so authentic and established. You'll notice a difference right away compared to newer subdivisions. You've got mature trees, diverse architecture, and larger lots.
Back in the 1980s and 90s, Algonquin's population boomed, growing by more than 60%. High Hill Farms was at the heart of that growth, becoming a foundational neighborhood as the village expanded.
So when you're walking through High Hill Farms subdivision, you're not just seeing homes. You're walking through one of the communities that really defines modern Algonquin. High Hill Farms is a single-family home community with over 500 homes and roughly 2,300 residents. It's important to clear up a common online confusion. If you see listings for condos or townhomes labeled High Hill Farms, those aren't actually part of the subdivision. They're nearby new builds that happen to pop up in search results. Here, it's strictly single-family living. Homes range from about 1,200 square feet to over 4,600 square feet, with colonial revivals, split levels, and a wide mix of styles. United Development built more than 30 distinct floor plans, so the neighborhood doesn't feel cookie cutter. You'll see everything from cozy 3-bedroom homes to 5-bedroom layouts with finished basements.
And here's what buyers love most. Families can move up within the neighborhood. You start in a smaller colonial and grow into a 4 to 5-bedroom home and never lose your community.
The centerpiece here is High Hill Park and Nature Preserve. It's a 29-acre public space split into 2 sections. The south side, which is where we are now on Harness Drive, has a playground, shelter, and sand pit. The north side, which was where we started our video on Kirkland Drive, has open fields, walking paths, and team sports. And in between, a lake and stream nature preserve, perfect for quiet walks. The park adds year-round value. There's a sled hill in the winter and trails for every season. This isn't a resort-style HOA with pools and clubhouses. It's a low-cost neighborhood with a true community park. HOA fees average around $25 a month, a fraction of newer subdivisions. If you're finding this video helpful, hit like so more Algonquin buyers discover it, and subscribe so we can keep providing you with neighborhood tours in Huntley, Crystal Lake, Cary, Algonquin, and Woodstock.
High Hill Farm sits west of the Fox River, perfectly positioned between Randall Road and Algonquin's historic downtown. To the west, you've got Algonquin Commons Mall, Target, Trader Joe's, Portillo's, Cooper's Hawk, and all your suburban essentials. To the east, you've got Main Street and Old Town Algonquin, local restaurants, boutique shops, and historic charm along the Fox River. Families love the District 300 school serving the area. The highlight, Newber Elementary, right inside the neighborhood, walkable for many kids with strong ratings. From there, students move to Westfield Middle and Jacobs High School, which offers a dual credit program for early college credits. And remember, if school is a big factor in your move, be sure to check and confirm the boundaries.
So why choose High Hill Farm? Established character, mature trees, diverse homes, timeless layouts. You have an affordable average HOA of around $25 a month. There's space to grow, everything from modest starter homes to 5-bedroom layouts. You've got a prime location and suburban convenience, not to mention historic charm. Schools, you've got walkable elementary and strong high school. And together, you've got a neighborhood that balances value, variety, and lifestyle without the higher cost of newer developments. High Hill Farms is one of those rare places that feels established, connected, but it's still affordable in today's market. We would love to hear from you. Are you looking for a starter home with character? Or would you like a larger home to right size and move up into? Comment below with your plan and we'll reply with tips tailored to the floor plans here in High Hill Farms. If High Hill Farms looks like your kind of place, let's talk.
Buyers, we'll build you a custom list of homes including off-market opportunities.
Sellers, ask for our High Hill Farms value review complete with pricing, scenarios, and prep tips.
And if you want to compare other neighborhoods nearby, your next best video is right here.
See you next time.